Right, so this video will be about making LCD interface with Arduino. So just open Arduino IDE and then click yes. This program will be provided to you to all the subscribers. Click on file, then click on examples, then go to the Arduino Liquid Crystal i2c library and click on hello world. So this is a ready-made program provided by the Arduino IDE. Then i2c address is mentioned here. This address may change based on the different i2cs, and 16 comma 2 is 16 column and 2 rows. If your LCD size is different, just mention that size over here. Then LCD begin, LCD print, whatever message we want to play, just we need to mention over here in the LCD print. And next, advanced part of the projects, when we do advanced programs, I will explain you about different functions used in the LCD. This is a basic program just for connecting LCD with the Arduino. So just upload the program, or else you can save the program, Control S. You can save same like on desktops. You can save. Click yes. The program will be saved. Once you save, click on upload. The process is same. You should use Arduino UNO and then the COM port. So the program is uploaded successfully. In the next part, we will be seeing the video how the LCD connections has to be done and what is the message we are going to get on the LCD. Like this hello world we have to get on the LCD.
This is how the I2C LCD will be. It's 4 connections: SCL, SDA, VCC and ground. So use 2-pin 2-side connector. These kind of connectors you use it. Then red wire you connect with the SCL SDA, and then VCC ground, same thing. Red wire you connect with the this way. Red wire connect with VCC and black wire with ground. Red wire with SCL, black wire with ground. For SCL SDA coloring is not needed, just for understanding purpose I have using. So here on the Arduino also you have SCL SDA pins. Here SCL SDA pins just connected over there. SCL SDA. Then VCC ground. Below are the 5V ground. So VCC means 5V only. Then you power on the Arduino. Already I have uploaded the program in the Arduino. Once you upload the program, it will display on the LCD. Hello world, it is displaying. This is how LCD we can interface with Arduino.